This dice is not random. And if you're still using physics, that's your first mistake. So, to build a controlled dice system without using any physics, first, you need a properly aligned dice model. Next, create a script that controls the dice. Begin by setting up the rotations for each face. For instance, in our model, the rotation at 0 degrees shows face 2, and at 90 degrees on the z-axis, it shows face 3. After that, we create a method that triggers every 3 seconds, generating a random value that you can later use for game conditions. Finally, we add a smooth animation to the dice using DOTween. If you'd like to get this Unity package, just send me a message or leave a comment below. Thanks.